Hey everyone! In this Curve review, we'll explore its features and user experience. All product links are down below, so check those out. Let's dive into what Curve offers and who it's for. Curve is a sleek all-in-one card combining multiple cards into one, simplifying your finances. Perfect for those with numerous bank accounts or credit cards, Curve provides organized spending management. Connect your existing cards to the Curve app and seamlessly switch between them with a tap, saving you time and effort. The minimalist, durable card supports contactless payments, essential for today's world. Curve's standout feature is its app. Track spending in real time, set spending limits, and enjoy cashback offers from select merchants. Easily add or remove cards in just a few clicks. Frequent travelers benefit from Curve's competitive exchange rates and travel insurance with premium plans. Is Curve worth it? Absolutely! Managing multiple cards through one platform is a game changer. No more carrying countless cards, you have complete financial control. Whether you shop, travel, or want smarter money management, Curve is ideal. In short, Curve streamlines payments and financial tracking. It's the perfect solution for simpler, smarter, and more efficient financial management.